In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Rocket Money branches and ATMs near you. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you feel confident in locating these financial resources in your area. First, it's important to note that Rocket Money is not a traditional bank. Instead, it partners with various financial institutions to offer its services. This distinction means that Rocket Money does not have its own brick-and-mortar branches or dedicated ATMs. However, you can still access the network of ATMs and bank branches by conducting your banking activities through your Rocket Money account. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Rocket Money website. This can be done on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. If you haven't already, simply log into your Rocket Money account using your secure login credentials. If you're new to Rocket Money, take a moment to set up your account. It's a straightforward process and essential for accessing their services. Once logged into your account, locate the section labeled Find an ATM or Branch. This option might be found in a menu or as a prominent button on the home page. Clicking this will lead you to another page where you can look up ATMs and branches. Here, you will usually find a search bar labeled something like Find a Location. Enter your current location or the location where you would like to find a Rocket Money supported ATM or branch. You can input your city, state, or zip code, allowing the system to filter the closest options to you. Once you've entered the necessary information, start the search. The results will generate a list of nearby ATMs and partnered bank branches. You may see them displayed on a map with pinpoint indicators, providing a visual reference of where each is located. This map is incredibly useful for identifying the closest and most convenient options around you. To make your browsing easier, you can adjust filters to narrow down your results. You might filter by whether an ATM is fee-free or by the bank's operating hours. It's advisable to take a few moments to explore these options to refine the results and find the most suitable locations for your needs. Once you have selected a convenient location, you might want to note the address and additional details such as operating hours or if there are any specific requirements for using their services. By following these steps, you can effectively find a network of available ATMs and branches ready to support your financial needs through Rocket Money service partnerships. Remember, having this knowledge empowers you to manage your finances more efficiently. I hope you found this guide useful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.